In order to receive the full benefit from the challenges that happen in life, here's the formula right here. I'm going to give it to you. And it can't be partial, because if it's partial, you don't get the full deal. When you have a problem, we'll call it a problem because that's what we typically know them for, but they're actually gifts. There's challenges, because within the challenge, you're going to receive the wisdom, that's what makes it a gift. But you got to see it this way, that life happens for you, not to you. Then you got to realize and understand and be certain that there's something to learn here. And then the bow, the magic, just the thing that you have to seal the deal with, is to find something to be thankful for within the situation. Because you could go through an issue and say, oh yeah, life happens for me and not to me. And I know I'm going to learn something. And then after it passes and it happens, and then you look back and you still see it as like, man, that was horrible. I can't believe that happened to me, but I learned a bunch. But you still have that horrible feeling. You're still making yourself the victim of that problem. That problem did you didn't do the problem. But if you turn around and say, hey, you know what, that was a crazy problem, I went through it, I gained all the wisdom, I'm so thankful I went through it, I'm so thankful because of this, and this, it taught me so much. That means you do the problem, you did the challenge, and you won. You gained the wisdom, and you move on to that next tier. You take it with you, take that wisdom with you, and you get closer to all the things that you want. Because all these tests that are put in front of us only get us closer to our full potential and to get all the things that we want.